Kapulahas imong mata eh. Nagaam manumi kasi dili na puro ti mga ab. Ay guys, kusto. Okay ba? It's not, you know, pag-tigit together to good. Oh, okay. Why did you tell him that? But I just went through that with him. You know where the two flowers I brought? Hindi, ikaduha din nila ko. Katong si tatay din. Kung sa man bugnaw? Bugnaw ay gaya.
During class was clearly against the rules. So I suggested that he should just leave it by the trees, but he was too worried about the nearby wild animals. So he took the risk of getting in trouble to ensure the safety of his newfound friend and decided to hide him in his desk. There were a couple close calls of him almost getting caught because of the tripping, but the chicks soon became comfortable with him and quieted down. There are many examples of Gabe's generosity throughout his time with us. We may have had our fair share of disagreements, but I never questioned his altruism and his intentions. He will always be my partner in crime. Andrew feels that he was the most genuine person he ever knew. Anytime and anybody that would need help, he would do it without hesitation, regardless if he was busy or not. He would drop whatever he was doing and help out. Lenny expressed how he helped his family so many times and how incredible and he was so great with them that you would have thought he was already a father. He treated his niece and nephews like they were his own kids. He fed them, clothed them, and took care of them countless of times. Lenny's oldest son, Alex, was especially fond of Gabe. Whether it was playing video games, watching TV, or horseplay, Gabe cherished their time together. Whenever Alex would see Gabe, his face would light up and he would run over to his favorite uncle without hesitation. Gabe saw being an uncle as a joyful blessing. He is their best friend and will forever be their Uncle Gabe. Lenny has always felt that Gabe has been a reflection of him. Gabe made him feel like a better older brother just by being himself. Lenny will always miss his mini-me. Gabe was the largest newborn out of the 5 of us. He weighed the most and was the hardest to labor. Our mom had such a hard time that night with him, they created a special bond with him. When we grew up, he was the smallest and the shortest. But along the 5 of us, she loved him so much. He was very loving and caring and generous. When he was a little boy, Mom would run.
I know you just can't get that point. Get the elbow. Yeah.
Okay ra. Dili na ta pwede mo sud no.
I'm gonna get him loaded up in the car.
Okay, hold on, brother. We just wait a little bit. Di mo duol og lain. Like hamyard ra ba kayo? Ulo. Butan na. Tula sulod. Bye, Gabe. Bye, Gabe. Bye, Gabe. See, apa dia angai? Apa dia angai? Mana tak pakai ni? Apa dia? Sakit ke apa?